supreme and He reigns over all. So right now, would you just lift your eyes to Him as we worship and exalt Him?
We